How to set up an Outlook mail account in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on apps. After clicking on apps, then scroll down and here you can see the mail app. Now click on mail app and then click on mail accounts. Now click on add account. Now here you can see the option Outlook. Now click on Outlook. And if you want to add your Outlook account, then here enter your email, phone or Skype account and then click on next and enter your password and it will set up your Outlook mail account. So this is the way to set up an Outlook mail account in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.